Three things spring to mind. The first one, of course, you reduce carbon, you reduce waste, and therefore you save money. That's the obvious one. The second one, though, is I think if looking at your processes, your production, the way you do things differently because you want to do different things, it helps you to find different solutions and new technologies. So that was the second one that I think was a good benefit. And the third one actually is that you get to work with new people, with new partners, have new partnerships, including the Carbon Trust, for example, which actually is quite interesting and gives you a lot of learning on the way. Copenhagen, of course, was a big disappointment. We had hoped we would get a policy framework that would set long-term perspectives for us and for the business in general, give us incentives, etc. It hasn't happened. The other side of that coin could be that we will find different approaches now, start having new ideas, and maybe also start looking beyond the immediate carbon world as such, and start maybe looking at how we can integrate issues like water, like health, like biodiversity into a more holistic solution. So maybe in the end we will find we are better off with that. Let's say in 40 years' time, my children will look back down on us and our generation with a bit of pity, how it was possible that we were driving so inefficient cars and were heating our homes so inefficiently, and how we just found it very difficult to find a way of living sustainably, because by then I hope they will have sorted it all out. They have the technologies, they have the way of how they can live more sustainably. So they look a bit down on us, I would hope, because they know how to do it. My personal motto is always a little bit, if you do what you always did, you get what you always got. So the message would really be, keep pushing, keep trying to find new solutions, stay optimistic about policy, because, we are in a dip, but we might come out again. And otherwise, well, have a Coke, I guess.